Day 1 English Listening. Describing the weather.
Hi, my name is Juan. I'm from San Francisco, but I live in Atlanta now. I want to tell you about the seasons and the weather in Atlanta and San Francisco. Right now, the season is summer in Atlanta. Today, the weather is very hot and sunny. In Atlanta, summer is usually hot and sunny. In the fall, it is usually cool and windy. In the winter, it is cold and cloudy. Sometimes, it is snowy. In the spring, it is often warm and rainy. In San Francisco, the weather is different. It is also summer in San Francisco right now. Today, the weather is warm and windy. In the summer, it is usually warm and cloudy in San Francisco. In the fall, it is warm and sunny. In the winter, it is cool and rainy. In the spring, it is cool and windy. The seasons and weather are very different in Atlanta and San Francisco.